Welcome back to another video here, another episode for 2024 Honda Civic FL5 Type-R. In today's video, our goal is to get a new clutch. Well, we already have a new clutch and we're going to install it to our FL5 Civic Type-R, since from the previous video, you guys saw that this car actually was slipping. The clutch was already slipping, so we were not able to make more than 533 horsepower. And on top of that, the E50 or the E85 that we had inside the car was already old. It was like a month and some change, maybe even closer to 2 months already. I'm pretty sure we already got rid of the 85 that was inside the car during our tune last time. We're gonna put another E85 here, 91. So I'm gonna drop off the FL5 Civic Type-R today. It's one of our good friends here locally. They're called The Shop, and they're gonna take care of us. They're gonna upgrade the clutch sometime this week. We're gonna schedule another tune with Red Star Motoring. We're gonna see if we're gonna make more than 532 horsepower. Without further ado, let's go into today's video. All right, so we have the FL5 right here and we have the WRX. We're gonna head to the shop right now and we're gonna see how this thing goes. We're here at the shop in South San Francisco, and we are going with X-City Racing Clutch. Obviously, you guys already know X-City is pretty well known when it comes to these Civic Type-Rs or any high horsepower cars. And they're gonna help us out and solve our X-City Racing Clutch. Let's get it. Alright guys, so just a quick update. Heel and front pipe, which is right there, has already been taken off. Again, we are still here at the shop. This is day 2 here of the progress. This car should be finished anytime soon today as well as so. Then we're going with X-City Racing Clutch. This is a single disc, so we're doing a single as of now. Alright guys, so we are now back at the shop. It's been a few days. It's been a few days since the last time we've seen the FL5, but now we are going to pick this up. It has a new clutch upgrade and also a new alignment, so we can go ahead and get into it today.
Oh, I'm nowhere.
You can be in the video.
Oh, why am I not?
I'm always in the video. All right, Johnson, we have a different clutch now. We have a newer clutch. You should drive it. You want to drive it? You want to drive the WRX?
I'll try the WRX.
Man. All right, I'm driving the FL5 Civic Type-R right now, guys. It has a new clutch, and definitely feels a little bit. Maybe it's just new, that's why. So we're gonna break in the car, the clutch over, but it definitely bites right away, which is real good. That's what we need. And obviously, this clutch is built for more power. And again, the main reason why we're doing this upgraded clutch, it's because the last time we dynoed this car, the clutch was not holding up anymore, so it was already slipping. And that's one of the reasons why we're only hitting 532, 533 horsepower. If I'm not mistaken, we have 500 miles to go for this new clutch to get break in. After that, we can go back with the daily procedures. The Type-R definitely feels much responsive, I would say. All right, this clutch is a little bit heavy, guys. I'll tell you that. This clutch definitely feels different. It's heavier and it responds, it bites right away, which is really good. Here's an example of how the first gear would feel like, or look like at least. I definitely revved it way too high. But the good thing about this clutch too is every time we shift into a different gear, it bites right away. It gives you that jug. Race car, baby. Alright guys, so before we end today's video, we definitely had to get another set of E50 fuel for the Type-R. So we've taken out the old E50. We actually didn't take it out, but we burned it by just driving the car around. And now that we've already put another set of E50, and on top of that, we also had to break in the new X-City clutch that we have. in the car, and hopefully in the next video we'll be seeing some higher power than 532 to 533 horsepower. We have a lot of things to do in the next video with the Red Star Motoring, since we are set to go for the dyno. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. We will see you guys in the next episode. Peace.